Hi there, it's Ajonga Ismail from Digital Productivity Tools and Skills. In this video, you learn the most quickest way to insert tables in Microsoft Word. To insert tables in Microsoft Word very quickly, go to the Insert tabs, and on the Insert ribbon, go to the Tables group. Click on this arrow down key, and then you have this Insert table. Now if I hover over one of the boxes, I have one column. If I hover to the right, I have two columns, that two boxes. And if I hover over another one, that means I have hovered over three boxes and I have three columns. If I add another one, I have four columns. Now if I move down if I move down, I have another row added to it. I have two rows now, then another row, then another row, and then you just click to insert the table and you have your table inserted. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video.